So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Adani Green Energy share. So today the stock was down almost 5%. So not only this particular stock, so many stocks were down today. So market is still in the bearish momentum. So correction is seen in almost every stock. So what is our main strategy? So we need to find out the best stock, especially for long term. So this is one stock we earlier also discussed about this. So earlier when we discussed around the 400 rupees level, we discussed the fundamentals of the company. We also discussed the political background, which is very important. In previous videos also, when we discussed about Adani Green, I clearly mentioned that BJP government support is there for the company, so which is a very good signal that in long term also the momentum will continue. So what should we do? So whenever the stock corrects, we need to add in small quantities. So stock is in overbought region. So one thing you need to remember that whenever any stock is in overbought region, so little bit of correction happens. So this particular stock also, whenever it enters the overbought region, so at that particular level some profit booking happens, and again the stock comes down, again it takes the support, again reversal will happen. So this is the basic thing I observed in this particular stock. So if you have not joined the Telegram group, also join the Telegram group, so that the whenever any stock is giving any sort of movement, I am updating in the Telegram section. So now we'll discuss the technicals of the company. We'll identify the next set of supports as well as resistances. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified. So if we see the current market price of Adani Green, so you can see it is near 588.25. So if we see the market cap, so earlier in the previous videos we have discussed that the market cap of the company almost approached the 1 lakh mark. So later, since the stock price falls, it implies that even the market cap also will fall. So that is obvious. So currently it's near 92,000 crores. And if you see the industry PE, so one important thing is the industry PE, and if you compare with the current P, that is almost 346. Okay, so why that much P? So whenever you see any company which is related to renewable energy, we know that first main thing is the results of the company will not be that much great, because the renewable energy agenda has not been aware to many people. So still the scope for renewable energy resources has not increased, but the future is there. So future is there, so it takes little bit of patience, especially for long term. So we have seen Suzlon Energy, we know that there are so many, Ujra Global, so there are so many companies. So why they are remained as penny, and this particular stock, if you see the book value also, you can see only it is 9.20. so book value is also 9.20, and you can see why it is trading at that much high values. So same reason, because of the strong political background. So whenever you are having any company and when you're having full support of government, will other companies get the opportunity or you will get the opportunity? So indirectly you will only get the opportunity. So other companies which are in penny, they will remain in penny unless it gets a strong background or political support. So this one thing is also very important, which you need to analyze when you're investing in any stock. Okay, you need to remember that Adani Enterprises, Adani Green, Adani, so whatever Adani stocks are there, Adani Power, whatever it may be, so those all stocks, whenever they rise, some particular reason will be present related to the political section. So this is what I discussed earlier also. So nothing much new to that. So people are new to this video, I am discussing again, so that you will remember this particular point whenever you're investing in any stock. So delivery wise, you can see 52% deliveries are seen. So earlier when we compare with the previous delivery sessions, so slightly delivery fall is also present. Okay, so nothing much to panic. So right now market also is in little correction. So quality stocks, all of them are showing correction. So it's the best opportunity for us. Okay, so watch the earlier videos also. We have discussed some quality stocks, especially for long term. So we also know that the bulk deal which happened in Adani Green. So we know that the V-Guard group has also bought almost 1 crore 30 lakh shares around 666.96 price. Okay, you can see the current market price, and if you see the price where they have taken, you can see how much amount of shares they have also taken. So they are also believing that whenever anybody is investing at that much high valuation, you need to think why they are investing that at that particular levels also. even when the stock is in overbought region, even when the PE is near 343. So they also trust that this particular company will show good results in future because the background or because of the promoter who is present for this company, so everything is completely satisfied. So they'll not see any drawbacks, whether their pledging is there, whether the results are weak. So they will not see all those things. They will see only the future of the company, so how it will turn around, because even the company wants the profit. Okay, they don't want to invest in Suzlon, they don't want to invest in Ujra Global, because they know, will they get the returns that this particular company is giving? So know that in 1 year it has given 1000% return. So will Suzlon Energy or will Ujra Global, they will give 1000% returns? No way. It requires time. We can't say anything. So unless and until this much amount of support is present for any stock. So now we'll move on to the technical charts. Before that, we'll do the volume analysis and then we'll find out the next supports and resistances. So when we see the volume analysis, so clearly on 23rd September, you can see 67.3% was present, and earlier when we compare, that is weekly as well as monthly, so you can see earlier the deliverable quantity has increased, and in the same way the traded quantity was also present. But in current situation, you can see the traded quantity is reduced as well as the deliverable quantity is also slightly reducing. Okay, so whenever market is down, so that much amount of deliverable quantity being present in any stock is little bit of difficult, but this particular stock has maintained that particular level. So currently it's in correction. So let us see the levels first, so then we'll have an entire idea whether to invest or wait patiently, that is cash in hand. So what will be the best strategy, so that also we'll discuss. So before that, if we see what the indicators are suggesting, so clearly in indicators you can see the money flow index is in 91. So generally 70 above itself is overbought. So this is strongly overbought region. So whenever any stock is approaching strongly overbought region, as I suggested in my earlier videos also, invest only in small quantities. Either it may be 2000, 1500 or 2500. So like that you need to invest. So nothing we can say wrong in investing like that. There is no rule that you should invest only 20-30,000. So that is not an investment strategy. So investment in small amounts also is a very good strategy, especially for long term. So don't have excess greed. So whenever we'll have excess greed, ultimately we'll go into losses. So that is what happens even in intraday trading also. So many people with that greed only, they lose the money. So discipline is one thing that is required in stock market. So if you have the discipline, then definitely you will get the success. So nothing to discuss on that. If discipline is present in stock market, definitely in future also you will earn very good profit. So since money flow index is little overbought region, you need to wait little patiently, and RSI is near 58. So strength is in moderate condition, but volume is high. So that you need to analyze. So when we see the returns in 1 week, okay, you can see it has lost almost 12.92%. In 6 months, you can see it has tripled your investment, 334.94, 3 months 26, 1 month 56, and 1 year, as we discussed, 1000% returns were given. So quickly we'll go on to the technical chart. So we'll see what are the next supports as well as resistances. So we're back onto the technical chart. So this is the 1 day chart. So clearly you can see this is the one resistance from where it has started correcting. So currently you can see this is the one support, that is the 550 level, so that you need to watch. And after that, if you find any sort of correction, then wait for the 500 rupees level. So these are the two major supports. So it may not reach that level. So just for your information of technicals, we are discussing that ultimately these may be the two supports if you want to invest. So wait for the 550 level if you want to invest. If any sort of movement is in tomorrow also, then invest in small quantity. So we can't predict anything. So just we run on assumptions. So see, clearly you can see this is the money flow index. So clearly you can see it's in the overbought region. So not much fall is seen in the money flow index also. So at that particular time we need to be a little bit of cautious. So investing at that high levels with heavy quantity might risk your investment. So you need to remember that. So whenever it approaches the lower level, it shows correction. So that is what we have seen in earlier sessions also. So I updated first in the YouTube community section when I first discussed about Adani Green near the 300 to 400 rupees region. We have updated that. So if you have invested at that levels also, almost 80 to 90% returns you would be getting. So currently if you have added at that particular level also, you can hold. So nothing to majorly panic in this stock. So nothing will happen. So for long term you need to have patience. Okay. So this is the 1 week chart. So 1 week chart also we can see the same thing. So bearish candle has been initiated. So whenever any bearish candle will be formed, so continuously any stock will not give any movement. So it will go up again at a particular region, profit booking will happen, again correction will happen, again momentum will come. So in this particular stock also momentum is there. So correction will happen in any stock. So majorly if any correction happens, 550, 500 are the best levels personally for me to add, okay, in a good as well as decent amount, especially for long term. Okay, so if any sort of movement is in tomorrow, I'll update in the Telegram as well. And if you want to invest personally, invest only in small portions and again average whenever correction happens. Okay, so entirely don't put your investment, so diversify your portfolio. So focus more on IT companies as I discussed earlier also, KPIT, Newgen. So focus on these small cap as well as mid cap stocks for long term. So rather than investing entirely in a stock where operator activity is completely present. Okay, so this is all about Adani Green. So if you liked the video, definitely like and subscribe. So until then, take care. Bye bye.